Sometimes watching you guys putt as you were warming up tends to get a little quick, a little jabby, a little flippy. So what we're doing here is I want to see a little bit more of an even tempoed swing from all four of you. Just nice even tempoed putting stroke. But I want to start with some practice swings, and you're going to hear me count out like a metronome, right? And I'm going to give you a 2 count, meaning the first 2 beats, to give you an idea of how fast I'm doing this. So it's going to be ready and 1, 2, 3, freeze. Freeze means holding the finish. Ready and 1, 2, 3, freeze. All right, you can even do this with your thumbs off the grip if you want, because that's really going to give you a sense of what it's like to use more of your shoulders and upper arms and chest. So again, thumbs up if you want. Ready and 1, 2, 3, freeze. We're going to do that a couple of times, and then after we do that, we're going to do that with a golf ball. Ready and 1, 2, 3, freeze. And again, the ball's just getting in the way of the stroke. Ready and 1, 2, 3, freeze. Good. Let's set up to the ball. Ready and 1, 2, 3, freeze. See how you froze again? Right? So sometimes when you do that, it's a sign that you're grabbing the club or getting really tight as you hold the ball, as you hold the putter. We're going to start off with getting a sense of ball position in our stance for different clubs. All right, so you notice how I've asked all. Now what the 2 sticks are for is for the width of your stance. So we just kind of want to make them about as wide as your feet normally would be, so it'd be like that. Right, so you're going to set the sticks up basically about the width of your stance. Understood? So you're going to hit 3 balls with your short club. So in my case, it's a pitch. You're then going to switch to your 8 or 9 iron, whatever's your next club. Then you're going to switch to your 5 iron, or whatever the highest club is, longest club. 3 balls. Where is the divot in relation to your stance? Right? Because as the clubs get longer, the ball position in your stance is not going to be the same spot. So you want to see where it is. Okay, so right off the bat, what did you guys find out about the 3 different clubs? What changes, if any, did you have to make with ball position? Ryan? Longer clubs, the ball has to be a little bit more forward. Okay, anybody else? What you're doing right now, you can see there's 4 sticks out there, 4 flags, so to speak, or targets. They're at 15 yards, 25, 35, 45. And then also seeing where is the ball landing in relation to those yards. So we're doing half swings. We're doing basically the face of a clock, 9 o'clock swings to 3 o'clock swings. So let's see, I'm doing exactly what I said. There. There you go. One more time. Good. Ready, Arlen? Got to crouch down here for Arlen. Good. Let's take a look here. So you can see yourself there, and you see how you're leaning back behind the ball. All right, we want to be more on top of it there. Or you want to be like the Leaning Tower of Pisa. You don't want to be hip checking. You want to be leaning like that. Look at how you're much more on top of the ball. Look at the difference there, how good that is, right?